Introducing the 2021 Volvo Xc40 T5 Phev R Design 5-door auto in vibrant orange. This hybrid electric beauty with a 1.5-litre engine and automatic transmission is the epitome of luxury and style. Packed with comfort and safety features, including air conditioning, cruise control, satellite navigation, multiple airbags, collision avoidance braking, and more, this vehicle ensures a smooth and secure journey every time. The sleek interior boasts a luxury trim and load cover parcel shelf, while the privacy glass, roof rails, and spoiler add to its stylish exterior. Rest assured with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-specified servicing, and a comprehensive warranty. Get behind the wheel of this incredible vehicle today. Call us now or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive in style with the Volvo XC40 T5 Phev R Design.